First thing I'm going to do is bring everything to one side of the equation. So I'm going to get 5 sine 3x minus 2 equals 0. And that's what I'm going to graph. Now I'm going to find the period of this. So the b value is 3. So the period is going to be 2 pi over 3. So this is a really important value because I'm going to set my window so that the x minimum is 0 and the x maximum is 2 pi over 3. This is going to make sure that I see the solutions for just one cycle. Y min, Y max, just make sure they're kind of evenly spaced, but it's the x min and the x max that really matter. Okay, now we're ready to graph. Y equals 5 sine 3x minus 2. So I'm just going to type that in. Y equals 5 sine 3x minus 2. And just press that little wrench so we can change the window. So for the x-axis, I'm going to go from 0 to 2 pi over 3. And you can put that in exactly with Desmos. The y-axis is pretty big, but doesn't really matter. So now you can see there's just the two solutions and we just got to tap them. So 0.14 and 0.91 are my two x values. So those are the answers for one cycle. And then to make a general solution, all I'm going to do is go x equals 0.14 plus 2 pi over 3 times n, because that's the period. Same thing with the 0.91 plus 2 pi over 3 times n. And make sure you say that n is an integer, because if it's not an integer, then who knows, it might be multiplying by half a cycle, quarter of a cycle. You'll get a whole bunch of different answers. So n has to be an integer so that we're finding the next answer on the next cycle.